Hi, today I want to show you how to solder a tiny linked chain onto a jump ring. Sometimes the links are just too small, so you can't thread a jump ring through the links themselves. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to add a jump ring directly to the chain. So I'm going to take a piece of soft solder, and place it right there. Now what you want to do is you want to look for the seam. If you have an open jump ring, you can go ahead and close it right now, which I like to do. So I'll place it on top of the solder. Now I'm going to bring the chain up to it. So what I want to do is I want to seal this, then close the jump ring at the same time. Don't forget the flux. Now I've added a tiny bit of whiteout to the chain end where it's meeting the jump ring, and the reason I did that will prevent the solder from flowing down the chain, and you really don't want it to do that because it'll get hard and the chain links will solder together. So whiteout is very toxic, so make sure you have good ventilation. You wear a mask also. So go ahead and put your torch in your non-dominant hand. And I have this on a low setting, torch. And go ahead and get your soldering pick in your dominant hand. Now you want to heat up the whole piece. And once the entire chain is heated up, go ahead and just circle around the jump ring and where you want it to solder. You have a second to put them together, so don't worry. And it's soldered together. I'll let that cool down a minute, and once I put it into the water and into the pickle, this will loosen this whiteout up, so it's not a big deal. So go ahead and let that cool down, and then you can quench it.